Hello and welcome. Today, I will guide you on how to efficiently change product prices, categories, and other essential options in bulk within WooCommerce, all without the need for any plugins. Go to your website's admin login page, enter your ID and password, and click Login. Once in your dashboard area, navigate to Products, then All Products to view a comprehensive list of all the products on your site. To quickly edit a single product, locate the Quick Edit option visible when hovering over the product in the Products section. Clicking on it reveals various options such as title, price, slug, categories, and reviews. To change the category of the current product, select the desired categories. You can also enable or disable reviews from this menu. Once done, click Update to apply the changes. That's it. Your single product has now been successfully edited. To edit products in bulk, select the products you wish to modify by checking the checkboxes beside them. Next, click Edit in the top bar and hit Apply. You will notice fewer options in bulk edit compared to single product editing. In bulk, you can change categories, comments, tags, status, and more. Let's change the category for now. Click the Update button. That's it. Your products have been successfully updated. Now, give it a try yourself. Cheers!